Good morning, Mavericks. Today is Friday, January 31st. I'm Syra.
And I'm Bianca, here with your MAVision News. The Omega students will be having another bake sale on February 5th from 2:30 to 3:30. Please stop by the dining hall and purchase some delicious baked goodies. Every dollar that we raise will go this year to supporting the Omega students and their exciting endeavors this year.
The all-school musical Legally Blonde will be today and tomorrow at 7 p.m. Tickets are $10 and can be purchased on memorial.pasadenaist.org or at the door.
Attention seniors only. Community service hour deadline is Wednesday, March 18th. Please turn in your logs before the deadline to Miss Amaya in the counseling office. Future Mavericks were in the house this week.
Here's Maya with the 8th grade visit.
Tuesday, Pasadena Memorial hosted an 8th grade showcase to highlight our amazing variety of sports, clubs, and organizations. At the showcase, incoming freshmen were able to see the various ways to get involved in the Maverick family for when they attend next year.
I think the main thing for me as principal that I want them to come away with is an understanding that there is something for everyone here at Pasadena Memorial High School. We have the most amazing students, obviously, staff, faculty. We have some incredible clubs and organizations, sports teams, academic programs.
Most definitely.
Opportunities to get industry certification. There are just so many opportunities here at Pasadena Memorial High School that I don't know that everyone is aware in the 8th grade, but we want to make sure that our incoming 8th graders are aware of all the awesome things we do here.
All right, I'm here with
Brianna San Miguel. I form part of FFA.
All right, so what in this program has to offer that any other organization doesn't?
Our principal's class actually offers a speech credit that you can get as a freshman. That way you don't have to take a separate class for it.
So what are some of the benefits that come with this program?
We get community service hours. We do a lot of social events. We do actually get, if you do actually decide to do projects and raise animals, you can actually get money to profit yourself.
Hi, I'm Sebastian Montilla. I'm a DECA member. I've been in it for a year and I'm going to state this year. DECA is a really good organization. Basically, it just helps you with your communication skills. It's a really good organization to have on your resume for college applications. That helps you out. Most schools really like seeing that. Basically, what DECA is you just go in, interview with a judge, show your problem-solving skills, and they'll grade you off of that. You get to meet a lot of new cool people and all that. Like, I made a bunch of friends this year doing it my first year. And you don't have to be rushed into doing it your freshman year. You could do it your sophomore, senior year. So just get into it whenever you want to, and it's a really good choice that you should make in your life.
Kevin Ackerman.
And he is over the AP for AP Calculus, right?
That's correct.
And Miss Smith. And she is the AP teacher for AP Lit. All right, so incoming 8th graders are obviously probably scared of AP classes, right? So why would you recommend 8th graders to take AP classes their freshman year?
The AP classes are going to get you prepared for the rigors of college. They're going to get you set up to think outside of the box, to have thoughts of your own, and to really be able to express yourself and find the passions that you didn't know that you actually had.
Absolutely. So here's the thing. We want kids who are looking not just about how I can be successful in high school, but ultimately not just how I can be successful in college, but how can I competitively excel in college.
So the Maverick Art Department offers 4 different art classes. We offer painting, drawing, ceramics, and sculpture. And students that are super into art and want to keep taking art throughout the years here can also do AP art. And AP art exams are AP drawing, 2D design, and 3D design. So here we have examples of some of our AP student artwork, our ceramic artwork, sculptures that go to rodeo, and students do a wide range of art making. They do some abstract, non-objective work, functional artwork, and representational stuff.
Hi guys, my name is Giovanna Cano. I am MAF HOSA's president and also as well Texas HOSA's Area 6 secretary. Basically what HOSA is a student-led organization that basically gives you information and input in the medical field. You get to go to competitive events which range from area to state to internationals. We also offer a whole lot of scholarships. Basically HOSA is partnered with health science, which basically without health science HOSA wouldn't be possible.
What was the most exciting table that you guys saw today?
Choir.
Choir, why?
Because I'm in choir, been in choir for a long time, and I just love being in choir.
How about you, Maya?
Athletic training can help me with my future in physics. I'm excited just to meeting new people and learning how to do more stuff. and just joining more clubs and stuff like that.
All right, how about you?
Basically the same thing. Getting to know more people is a good thing. Yeah.
So looking around over here, what do you think excites you the most from these stalls?
I would say hunting and bowling.
All right, and you? Engineering.
My sister went here and she said it was a great school and everything. All the classes
definitely.
Yeah, all the classes were great, and I'm looking forward to coming here.
I'm all right with coming here. It seems cool.
Aquatic science students got to check out Moody Gardens.
Here's more from their field trip.
Well, the reason why we bring the aquatic science classes out to Moody Gardens is so that the children can actually get a visual representation of what the species are that they're studying this year. And so we try to give them an actual hands-on experience. So when we talk about the different animals and aquatic life forms, then now they actually have an actual mental picture that they can use as a reference.
My favorite part of Moody Gardens was looking at the penguins.
So my favorite part of Moody Gardens was the view, because it's very beautiful and it makes me smile. And you know, it's kind of cold out here, but it's fine.
Our bowling team is on a roll.
Literally.
I'm here with
Coach Lamas.
All right, Coach. How do you feel about your team in this league?
My team this year is really good. We have a lot of returning players, and so they have worked together for probably 2 years now, so they've got a strong chance at making it to region and then going from region to state.
All right. Who do you think is going to be your biggest competition this league?
Well, in this league, there's two very good competitors. There's Deer Park and there's Dobie ahead of us. They're really our only big competition ahead of us right now. Like I said, we're pretty good along the lane. We know what we're doing most of the time, but Dobie and Deer Park are a really good matchup against us. We have a lot of trouble against them. Just nerves, letting it all out, but it's something we got to work on.
Pasadena Memorial High School varsity bowling team currently holds 9 wins, 2 losses in the current league. Come support the team on February 5th against Dobie.
The Pasadena Memorial girls varsity basketball team lost Friday's home conference game against Kingwood by a score of 52-47. Here are some highlights.
Here's something for Flashback Friday.
He got the Velcro. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is. 'Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven for too long.
was a leaner. Beauty and the beast, beauty from the east, beautiful profession to the priest. Beast, beauty from the streets, beat don't get deceased. Every time beauty on the beat.
I wanna tell the world about you just so they can get jealous. And if you see her before I do, tell I wish that I met her. Turn on the light, I'm looking forward to 10, 11 slabs in a single file line. Pockets full of money. That's how we do it in the summer. All those players got a bad woman on the side and her diamonds ain't.
Tweet of the day comes from Gio, and he tweeted, "God is good."
If you'd like to be tweet of the day, follow us at PMHS_MAVision.
That's all we have for you today, Mavs.
Happy National Inspire Your Heart with Art Day. Bye.
Take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine.